Hello, today we'll see another problem of Leetcode which is called remove element. So let's start that by reading the problem statement. So we have like given an integer array nums and integer value. Remove all the occurrences of value in nums. The order of the elements may be changed. They return the number of elements in nums which are not equals to value. Okay. So we have like one array and we have a value, so we have to check that if the value is present in the array or not. So if that value is will be present, okay, consider the number of elements which are not equals to value be okay. To get accepted you need to do the following things: change the array number such that first k elements of nums contain the elements which are not equals to val. Okay, so we have to check that it should value should not be present in the array. Okay, the remaining elements of nums are not important. So we can see the example. If we have like array of 3 2 2 3, so here if we can see that value is equals to 3, so we have to check that if the value is present in the array or not. So if the value is present, so we have to deduct the that element. Okay, so after the deduction the resultant array would be uh, this. It's like we remove 3 from the array. Okay, because the value was 3, and we have to return the output, the length of the array, so which is 2. In this case we have 0 1 2 2 3 0 4 2 and value is equals to 2, so we have to remove 2 from the array. So after removing we have like 0 1 4 0 3, and we return the length of the array which is 5, right? So let's start this. It starts from 0 because we have to check that if the value is present or not from start. Okay, so it should iterate to the length of the vector and increment. So if the iterator if the value is not equals to uh, value, okay, so what we would do is we just if that value is not equals to the value, right, if the element is not equals to the value, so then what we'll do is we'll we return that element to the same position, right? If that would be equals to the value, then we have to skip that, or there then we have to remove that. How we gonna do that? We'll just create another variable, okay, which first would be equals to 0. It's like index, let's call it index. Okay, so now the index first the index is 0, right? So the array of index would be equals to the num of I. Okay, so if that element of the array is not equals to the value, so we have to retain that element, right? So the index on of that of array is equals to the index that we just created here, 0. So in the case of this 0 1 2 2 3 3 0 4 2, we have like 2. So in the first case 0 0 is not equals to the value, right? So at the 0 index we have the 0 value. Okay, so after that what we'll do is we'll just count increment, count or index, right? So now what we'll do is we'll return the index, because index has the length of array that we just altered. So let's see that by running. It is accepted. Let's see that by submitting the solution, if it is accepted or not. It is accepted successfully. Thank you so much. This is it for today.